they're here. So this is actually how bees arrive when you order them. I order them through City Bee Savers. They're a great group with Bill Whitney, located actually just over in Wheaton, so pretty close to here, which is nice. But the bees actually came down from Kentucky this time. Each of these boxes is 3 pounds, so 6 pounds total. And that means it's 10,000 bees in each box, so 20,000 total. So each box will go into each one of my hives over here. They are not one big hive, they'll stay separate, and they actually know which hive is which is incredible too. But yeah, so this is how they come in one of these boxes, and then the queens are actually, these little tabs right here are where the queen cages are. The queens have not been around these bees yet. They were just put in yesterday, so actually she needs to be in her own cage or else they would kill her right now, thinking she's a rogue or enemy queen. So they just need to get used to her pheromones. So then once they're used to their pheromones, they are loyal to her and will take care of her. So it'll be just a few days, but it won't be starving or anything. She actually has attendant bees with her that feed her and make sure that she is all set too. So we're gonna get ready to put these guys in the hives. So this is the hive, and this box itself is called a hive body, and it is a bigger box. Usually hives will be 3 or 4 boxes tall with 2 hive bodies, so 2 boxes of this size, and then 1 or 2 smaller ones that are really for the honey collection specifically. So since it's a smaller hive right now, there's only about 10,000 of them right now, getting up to 50 or 60,000 during the summer. So right now they only need about this much room, so the queen can start laying eggs, they can get accustomed to their new digs, and really get a feel for things before they start ramping up and growing in their numbers for the colony itself. So what I have in here, I have a 10 frame hive. There's also 8 frame hives as well, but I like the 10. It's usually the typical one that you do see. But these frames, you reuse them every year. This frame was actually from my hive from last year that absconded. Unfortunately, I miss them, but I hope they're doing well. But they left all of this honey. It's all capped honey, and so it's the best thing for the bees to have right now. We'll be giving them this as well as some sugar syrup to help supplement that the flowers are not completely in full bloom right now, so they don't have a ton of food to be choosing from. So we're just trying to help them out, make sure that they're healthy and that they can really start building up the numbers of the colony itself. Bees are all, kind of see, they're getting acquainted with the hive, they're crawling all over. They're hopefully finding the honey that we left them. And so we're actually going to put the queen cage, so there she is. She's kind of hidden by the other bees right now, but that's good. We're going to kind of prop her in there, so I can't do it right now because I don't have my other hand, but I'll be putting in another frame to kind of hold that tight. So that'll stay there for a few days until they've gotten used to her pheromones, and she'll be good to go. So that about does it. Welcome home, bees. They will continue to leave the travel box and head into the hive itself. Pretty sweet digs with some drawn out comb already and capped honey for food, and they have a little bit of water there too. They should be all set, and in a few days I will come and release the queen, so then they can kind of get on with life as usual and go and collect the nectar and the pollen from all the flowers in the area to make some honey. Thanks for watching.